I just open one position. Then once it touches this line, this red line here, I'll buy another one position, all right, to make it two positions. Okay, B1000 just spike. You can see the long spike, right? It is so many people just want you to lie to them. Okay, they hate hearing the truth, knowing what's the right thing to do. Okay, you can see a lot of people just want to cut corners. They want to make fast money without going through the right procedure, the right process. Okay, the right process is knowing price action. Okay, knowing price action. Like for example, this is a strategy that I want to show you guys. Okay, this is a strategy I want to show you guys, but this strategy needs for you to have like 80, for you to have like 95% accuracy. You must apply a bit of price action. Without price action, you cannot get that 90 to 95% accuracy. It could be around 80. Do you understand? So you don't need to lose. Nobody wants to lose money. Everybody just want to keep making money, right? So instead of you to just run and just start adding indicators on your charts and start trading, catching spikes and scalping, I think you need to know this. At least take your time, take a while, and learn a bit of price action. Okay, price action, trust me, you can never go broke. I'm saying this from my own experience. All right, so I'll advise you guys to learn price action. You can meet me. I can show you what to do, teach you how to analyze the markets the right way. But you can meet any other person if you don't feel comfortable learning from me. So now look at these markets now. You can see there was a very long spike here. There was a very long spike here. All right, there was a very long spike here. Now, someone that doesn't know price action will never catch this spike. Do you understand? There was a long spike here, and you can see market spike immediately at that very point. I didn't know. I was not even around. I was not even on the charts. Market spike at this very point. Now, if you look back again, there are some levels on your charts like this one here, where market has been reversing. Like this level, market reversed around this zone before. So if you check on the lower time frame, you realize that it respects that zone. Okay, so now. And also, if you do like this is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. All right. This is an uptrend. So you realize some people want to start selling. Yeah, you might sell, but it does not really make sense because the sell will be, look at this. When market is going up, we have more of green candlestick, very strong candlestick. But when it's coming down, it's consolidating, right? When it's going up, we have more of green candlesticks, strong candlesticks, because this is an uptrend. So you can see market is creating highs. This is higher high, higher low here, higher high here, higher low, and another higher high. It's likely going to create another higher high again. This is a higher low. It's likely going to create another higher high, right? So our duty is for us to wait around this zone to keep buying it, right? To keep buying it. So we wait for market to touch those key levels, those key zones on our charts, like this horizontal line here, all these horizontal lines. Once market hits those levels, it will spike. Market will spike, start spiking. Like here, market will start spiking. So if you switch now to 1 minute time frame, you realize that those levels are where market has been spiking. So if you do this on B1000 and do it on B500, do it on crash 1000 and crash 500, trust me, there's no how you will not catch like 20 spikes or more in a day. And if you catch 20 spike with this format, with this strategy, trust me, with this price action combined with indicator strategy, trust me, you're going to win like 80% of your trades. Okay, so let's switch to 1 minute charts. Then let's go back to, you see here, market spike at this very point, and we have market at the oversold level. You can see it did not spike not until it touched this red line. Market did not spike until it touched this red line. The same thing here. It went down below the level 10 until it touched this red line. That is when market spiked. All right, that's when it spiked. So if you go back again to this level that market has been spiking, okay, like here now, you can see market spiked around this zone. It spiked like 1, 2, and 3 times because it went very close. It was around this line. Market spiked 3 good times, and we had the same thing here. You can see. So whenever it touches that line, it spikes. it spikes. The same thing right here. Nice spike around this zone. Oversold. Went few candlesticks and there was a long spike, right? We check again. At this point, market spike again at this level. The same thing here. So this is very important. You must know this is very important, guys. Market spike again at this point around this red line, and the same thing here. So if you can identify those zones and wait for market to get to the up point, you make it the same thing here, right? And the same confirmation. All right. So now price action is very important. If you want to be successful, I love preaching this. Price action is very important. If you think you can learn it online without mixing things up, right? Making some mistakes or doing what is not right or picking wrong information or strategy online, you can still do it. But if you want to pick a mentor, make sure you pick a mentor, someone you know that is successful and someone you know that's going to give you the value, someone that's going to teach you exactly what you need to know. Not some mentors that will not be there to teach you. They will only send you a video to watch and learn, a PDF to learn. All right. Like now, we just finished our classes. Okay, we just finished our classes now. You can see this is the new batch, right? We started very early. Today, we joined. The first class finished like 2 hours. I sent the video, the recording from the first class. I sent the first video here. You can see, right? They will download the video and watch. I sent the second video, all right? Then after that, this is the last video I just sent, this last one here that I just sent. Okay, so you see that's how it is. We learn and we communicate. So many videos here. So after our class, I'll convert those videos and send them to them, right, for them to join. And I give them some tips on how to be successful. Some tips, and we do our analysis together and all, right? So look at this. This is my VIP platform, and I only make use of price action for my signals. Price action to give my signals, only price action. All right. So look at this. Let's say since yesterday, which was Monday. This was Sunday. Since Monday, see the signal. We dropped the first signal, which is VIX 75 by VIX 75. Before I drop signal, I'll drop this notification so that you know. All right. Then we bought VIX 75. Then we bought VIX 25 by VIX 75 and VIX 25 on ACE. Okay. Apply proper risk management on VIX 25 on ACE because I know this is a low probability setup. I know when it's a low probability setup because I'm making use of price action. With price action, you know exactly what you're doing. You know where market is heading. So now I dropped their stop losses and TP was coming. Right, you can see we made profit from those trades. We made profit. And later I told them sell VIX 10. We sold VIX 10. We made profit from VIX 10 as well. So 3 signals in less than 30 minutes with the help of price action, right? Not with the help of indicators, help of price action. So VIX 10 keeps dropping, 75 keep dropping. Look at the charts, right? Right. Then I drop the TP here. All right. VIX 10 keep dropping. We hit TP1 here. We hit TP1 here. And VIX 51 is we missed VIX 51 is. So that's it. That was we took like 4 signals. Then VIX 10 was still dropping, and then after that I dropped another signal. We smashed TP1 and 2 on VIX 10. VIX 75 was still running. Then we buy VIX 75 again later that evening, yesterday. We made some profit again. We made good profits. Guys. We made good profits. All right. We made good profits. Then today, we buy VIX 75 again. So you see, we've entered so many trades and without losing anything. All right. So this is what I'm trying to let you understand, that with price action, you cannot lose. You cannot go broke when you learn price action. You know price action. Just learn price action and know the right thing. So this strategy now, you use zoom, you can use this the first zoom level, this is the second one. You can use the second or the third zoom level. Okay, then you stay on the 1 minute time frame to catch the spike, but before catching the spike you move to 30 minutes time frame to identify these levels. Where market reversed repeatedly is what you're looking for. Like you see, market reversed here, 1, 2, okay, and 3. So if market comes here again in the future, it's going to spike somewhere here. Do you understand? Now, once it gets to that point, I'll switch to my 1 minute chart and see on the indicator window 1 if price has gotten to the oversold level. Then if that's gotten to oversold level and I see price on that zone, horizontal line, that red line I placed on the main chart, I'll be looking to buy. I'll be looking to catch spikes. It will definitely spike. If it goes down a bit, before you know it will spike and give me good profits. Do you understand? Then if you go to crash 1000 or crash 500, crash 1000 right here. Now we have price at the overbought level. So what we need to do, we need to switch to 30 minutes time frame to see if markets spike around that zone before. So this is where market will spike. Right? Did not spike right there. And probably here, this is where market spiked before. So I've not seen any level there that market spiked around that level. If I see, I'll pick that level as our zone. I cannot see that place anymore. So I can't see any place around that place, guys, that zone, to identify it as our resistance. So at this point, I cannot just sell, cannot catch spikes on boom, on crash. Even if it spikes, that's not my business because I'm looking at market coming to this point before it spike. All right. So those people that keep giving you strategies here to catch spikes, to scalp, without telling you this secret, trust me, they are not doing you any good. They are not doing you any good. Okay. So if you want to be successful catching spikes or scalping, you need to know how to do this stuff. Okay. With this stuff, it will help you. But if you can learn pure price action, you can trade everything. See the good thing about price action. You can learn, you can trade crypto, you can trade currency, you can trade synthetic indices, you can trade even stock market, right? With this strategy, price action strategy. And I'll show you exactly what you need to know. So yeah, I'm a pro. I've been here into this trading for over 5 years, 5 to 6 years now. I know what I'm saying. Okay. Everything turned around, everything changed for me when I started trading price action. Okay, so it's the best thing that could happen to any trader. All right, so you can join us now. Right now, we are charging just $60, special discount, just $60 to join our platform. You can see these are free platform. We need just $60 to join. Okay, we do a special discount, just $60 to join and learn price action. After now, we're going to increase our charges to something else, right? So for now, you can learn price action with us. So let me quickly show you guys the settings. Okay, the settings for this indicator, I've shared it before. We have strength, RSI, relative strength index, and also have MACD. So the first thing will be the RSI, okay? The period here is 14, applied to low. Levels are, you can screenshot the levels, guys. We have level 90, we have 10, we have 80, we have 20, okay? You go back and choose any color of your choice. If you're using black background, you choose white or any other color that will be obvious. You'll be able to see the RSI. But if you're using white, like mine is white, I choose black so that it will be seen on my chart. Okay, then click on done. That's the black indicator you have here, this black here. Then you go back again, you add the MACD. You can see the settings, the parameters. You can see 25 here for fast EMA, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9. Choose color. I choose red. You can use any color of your choice. If I change this color here, you can turn to any other color, right? So I can decide to use blue. You can see it has turned blue. It's now blue. So yeah, those two indicators. Now, when price gets to, for crash, when price gets to oversold level, you have to sell. But you need to confirm that it has gotten to the oversold level on the 30 minutes time frame, this line that you identified on the 30 minutes time frame. Else you sell and it will not spike. It will take your money for nothing. Yeah, I'm not joking. You can see it's not spike. It might spike much later. It might spike much later. But see, somebody that started buying from here, this, I didn't mean you were online and you buy from here. Sorry, you start selling from here. You start selling from this place, right? So let's look. If you start selling from here, you start selling from here. You want to start catching spikes. So if you want to start counting now, how many minutes now? You've been in for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like 20 minutes, almost 20 minutes. Call it 15 minutes. It has not spiked. It hasn't spiked. It might not spike for a very long time because it has not gotten to that key level on your time frame, on your main chart, the 30 minutes key level, which is this one. Once it gets to this point, it will start spiking. And once the spike comes, really, really massive spike, it's going to be a massive spike. So this is the level I'm saying price going to spike from. It might give some short spikes here, but at this point, it's going to give a very long spike. And it's likely going to spike like 2 times or more. So guys, that's what I want you guys to learn. So when market gets to that point, the overbought level here for crash, you're selling. When you have the confirmation on your main chart that market has gotten to that point, then for boom, market gets to your oversold level, you have to buy. When you confirm also on the 30 minutes time frame that it has gotten to this key zone, which is here, this red line here, that's when you're gonna buy. Else you might buy it will keep going down for an hour or 30 minutes without a single spike. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you want to join our free Telegram channel, please check that description area, okay, and join our free Telegram channel. And also, you can chat me up on WhatsApp. We offer account management, okay, Profame or your personal account management, be it currency or any. We manage accounts, okay. Then we provide signals, VIP signals, like what I just showed you now. You make a profit, like we give like 2 to 5 high probability signals, high quality signals only, okay, every day, Monday to Monday, okay. Then also we mentor, I've teach you right there, okay. We teach you online or offline depending on your location where you stay, okay. So trust me, if you want to be successful here, you need to learn price action. If you don't learn, if you don't make that bold step today, you keep suffering, you keep funding $100, $20, $30, and you make no impact, you make no profit. You never be consistent. At some point, you might give up and stop trading. So you need to have the right knowledge. This is a skill you need to acquire. Everybody needs this skill to survive, to make money. With good skill, profit, Forex can change your life in a very short period of time. Okay, so that'll be all for now, guys. Thank you. And before I forget, we start our free classes. Okay, so for free classes, make sure that you join and chat me up that you want a free classes to join my free classes. Then I'll tell you what to do. You don't pay any money. It's just free, completely free. Okay. I want so many students. I want like 100 students in the class. Okay. So everybody should chat me up and join the platform. Free classes, completely free. You don't pay a dime. Just come in and learn price action and be profitable. Okay. So that'll be all for now. Thank you. Bye-bye.